Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking for a good roller that's durable and has a nice hand grip, then check this one out. This is the heavy duty paint roller frame by ROLLINGDOG, 9 inches by 1.5 inches. This roller rolls on super smooth in the paint and on the wall. My personal favorite is of course the handle. It really does have excellent grip. It's not those plastic kinds. It feels good in the hand and it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. Whether you are just using your bare hands or you're using gloves, you always feel like you have a firm grip on these rollers. The roller frame is 9 inches. It fits very well into any paint roller cover, making sure you have the right size. Also, the roller does allow an extension pole. You can screw it right in, and then that way you can have a longer roller for those high ceilings. Overall, this roller had very smooth application of the paint on all the walls that I was using. The coverage of the roller itself fitting on it fit good, and of course the grip and the overall durability of this is very strong, and I felt confident and comfortable when using this in all different types of angles. So if you're looking for a new roller, then check this one out. And that's my point of view.